About the new steering system of John Deere, I'm completely satisfied with that. I'm Kees Houberts from the company Houberts BV, and we are located in Katwoude. That's a nice piece of dike between Monnikendam and Volendam. It's about 10-15 kilometers above Amsterdam. We have a company in the civil engineering sector. We also call that in the Netherlands the Kumela sector. And yeah, green, ground and infrastructure work. We work with about 25 employees, it varies a bit, and we naturally operate various tractors and excavators. And we're currently working with 2 John Deere tractors here in Katwoude on a dike reinforcement. That is part of a dike reinforcement project between Amsterdam and Hoorn, totaling 33 kilometers. I always take into account the wishes of my people. We have 2 drivers who've always been John Deere enthusiasts, and the company Kraakman has also been in the Beemster for a long time. It's just the perfect company. And at some point that led us to decide, when those guys started working with us, to go with John Deere. And John Deere, compared to the other tractors we have in our company, other brands, it has excellent weight distribution and fantastic transmission, which gives it a super result for that 3-axle trailer. And that is also a reason why we choose John Deere.
Ik ben Dave Brouwer.
I'm Dave Brouwer, 23 years old, work at the company Houberts BV. I currently drive a brand new John Deere. I've had it since October 2024. I'm just very pleased with it, with the tractor and the power it has, and certainly with the new steering system of John Deere. I'm completely satisfied with that. And on top of that, it also has the latest radio system with Apple CarPlay. Really, it's just a dream for every driver. Everything you want and can have. Especially that new steering, that's really very relaxed. It doesn't drift. If you let go of the steering wheel, it doesn't immediately wander. It just keeps driving straight down the road. Nice and steady on the road. No swaying or anything like that. It's just a top system. What I also really like is the seat that is in it. It also has a side shift. Yeah, that is wonderful.
Side shift heb ik ook nog. Ja, dat is zonnetje, vooral in ons.
Especially in our work, concrete tracks and sandpaths, then that is very, very nice and relaxed. In our eyes, there's no better brand out there, and especially the newest 6R series with the Command Pro as well. That whole driving system, and now also the new steering system added, it's just an incredibly powerful, beautiful tractor. With each series, everything is improved. It's the most amazing thing there is, the biggest childhood dream you can have.